Welcome back to Ketorific Journey with Mike. I'm Mike, Reformed Fat Man. Well, as you can see, we've got some cooler weather here in Georgia. And 82 degrees on Sunday, 36 degrees today. So, go figure. Anyway, this morning I made my wife something that I experimented with. It was for lack of a better word, I'll call it an egg bite. But it wasn't your typical type egg bite. So it was an experiment. Excuse me. And it worked. So I'm going to duplicate it here on camera. She loved it. It was great tasting. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So stick around and find out. Okay, I got me some of those rubber pans, and I've smeared some ghee in there inside the pan, and I'm gonna fill these little things up. And these are actually donut pans, so I found them on Amazon. So basically, okay, you want to call them egg rings? We're making egg rings. I've got 2 of them here, so I'm going to make all of them until I run out. And I'm going to show you what I'm pouring in it here in just a second. And if I have to, I'll use real eggs because I don't have real eggs here. Well, they're real eggs, but they're not whole eggs. I'm using the Walmart version of egg beaters. They will rise some, but I'm trying to get them as full as I can here. That's good. That's good. All right, so this is what we got. Can you see it? It's the egg beaters from Walmart. They call it egg makers. Same thing, no difference. And it's made with real eggs. It's just made from egg whites. And so, you know, what the heck? A little less calories. And now I'm gonna season all of them. While I season them, I won't put you through that agony. I got down seasoned with salt and pepper, and now I'm just going to get it kind of immersed in there a little bit, and I'm using the handle end of a spoon just to kind of stir it up in there a little bit. Just salt and pepper in them so far. We're going to add some other things here in just a second, but while this is going on, my oven has preheated to 400. Okay, that's good. Alrighty, let me get some bacon and some cheese. Alrighty, I got some cheese. Just gonna put some cheddar in it. The bacon's cooked. I just gotta crumble it up in it. And we're gonna put just, you know, douse the top with it, real good. And then we'll put bacon in there as well. But we're gonna do all of these just like this. All right, we're just gonna sprinkle us some bacon on the top here of all of them. You could mix the bacon, sausage, if you did whole eggs, because these are real eggs. If you did whole eggs, you could just brown some sausage and mix it up in there, and mix the bacon up in there as well, and you don't have to go through this what I'm doing now, but since it came in a carton, I'm having to improvise just a touch. Hope I got enough. If I don't, I'll just make it be what I got, because I didn't make any more. Let me get that one and bring it over here. That one and do that. But yeah, almost got it all done. I'm hoping to get some bacon on all of them. Alright, I got some bacon on all of them, so that's all I care about. That way there's not going to be any loss. Now we're going to take our spoon and just kind of push it down in there so that it won't burn on top, the bacon, because it's already cooked. We just want to add the flavor of bacon in there in every one of these little morsels. Now I know there's somebody out there probably has done this. Basically this is an egg bite, and there's tons of videos out there for making egg bites. I haven't seen one making it with egg beater type stuff. Sure, there's something out there, and I've never seen one using the donut pan to do it with. Because you could do this just as easily in the well, I missed one. How did I miss one? Or did they float back up? You could do this just as easily in a muffin pan. And that's what you see a lot of these videos with the egg bites, where they've done it in a muffin pan. But this is this works too, and it just kind of gives it a unique look. Like I said, I know I didn't invent it, but I'm sure somebody else has done it. I just haven't seen it where they use the egg beaters. You know, and I'm sure somebody's done it where they use this ring, but I haven't seen it, so we'll go with that. So now we're going to put it in the oven. It's at 400, and it will cook for 20 minutes. All right, our egg bite donuts, whatever, egg donuts, whatever you want to call them, they're done. This is what they look like. I'm real pleased with how they turned out. They are completely cooked. So, you know, we didn't quite get, you can see that one didn't come out as even in the distribution as the rest of them, but hey, it's close enough. And so here you have it. My wife loved it. I made it for her already, and she loved it and wanted me to make some more, so here you go. Hope y'all will give it a try. Till the next time, this is Mike at Ketorific Journey saying, let's be careful out there.